How can a batch of 20 possibly make sense for a robot installation? Seems counterintuitive, doesn't it? Robot economics is built around big batches and long runs. At least that's the theory. The reality is different. Our robots are designed for high-mix, low-volume order patterns, the kind that you see in your machine shop all the time. What could be more high-mix, low-volume than different part orders running in batches of 20 or 30 or 40 all week long? Don't take our word for it. Ask our customers. They're the ones who do this all the time. To discover more about how our machine tending robots can help your machine shop thrive, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.